Hello designers. In this video we will try to see about smart dimensions on SolidWorks. This is the fourth video of introducing SolidWorks. Is this video your first video? Please go back and see this learning videos from the first video. You will get video link on the description. Dimensions. You can specify dimensions between entities such as lengths and radius. When you change dimensions, the size and shape of the part changes. Depending on how you dimension the part, you can preserve the design intent. Driving dimensions. You create driving dimensions with the dimension tool. Driving dimensions change the size of the model when you change their values. Sketch definitions. Sketches can be fully defined, underdefined, or overdefined. In fully defined sketches, all the lines and curves in the sketch, and their positions, are described by dimensions or relations, or both. You do not have to fully define sketches before you use them to create features. However, you should fully define sketches to maintain your design intent. Fully defined sketches appear in black. Please carefully see the video. I will remain silent until the video finishes. Designers, I hope you understand how to dimensions from the video. If you find this video is helpful to you, subscribe, share, like, and comment down below. Please keep learning with us. The next video will be design intent on SolidWorks. Thanks for watching.